Hey, David here, and I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about the Longtail Pro. Now, I looked at Longtail Pro many months ago and decided not to get it at that point because it was a little pricey for my taste. It was recurring income, it was recurring cost every month, and now they're offering a one-time fee at a 70% discount. So you really need to jump on this because I have and I love it. And I'm going to walk you through this in just a minute. When we get down here, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm going to try to keep this between 5 and 7 minutes too, so that we can make sure that we get it. If you go to the sales page, you're going to see the basics of all of the software itself. These little colored highlights on average KC, which is their proprietary competitiveness numbers, tell you what you can rank for quickly with your website. That's a gold mine right there. So you find keywords similar to that and you focus on those. And it's got all the competitive analysis from ads that are currently running and which ones you can actually go out and work on as well to get people to your site. So take a look at the sales page and make sure you understand exactly how this works. This is so much easier than Google Keyword Planner. I'm never recommending Google Keyword Planner again. I'm recommending this tool because it is so much easier and so much more in-depth, and the training they give you is unbelievable. So I'm going to show you a blog that I have called Free Success Tips, Free Secret Success Tips, and it's a newer blog. It's something we do almost nothing with this, and it's basically about being successful online, right? Traffic building, mobile SEO explained, immutable SEO fundamentals, those kind of things. So I'm going to come over to Longtail Pro, where I've started this already, and what I did was I input a new project and I put in the domain freesecretsuccesstips.com, and it gave, and by the way, if you put your mouse over anything, it explains exactly what it is, so it's really easy to use. You'll see my domain came up with a big old fat 0 in the trust and citation flows, so it means it's a low quality site at the moment. So the keyword, though, that they suggest that I might be able to rank for are between 25 and 30. 30 on the high end, 25 on the low end. Now, I have put in some keywords, and you just insert your keywords here to get Google AdWords suggestions straight from Google, or you can manually input here. I input success tips, how to be successful online, SEO fundamentals, driving traffic, organic traffic success. If I click on advanced options, I have more choices that I can make here, but I'm not going to do that at the moment. I can choose how many keywords to return. I don't want to return too many to begin with per keyword because I want to hone in on these. These are called seed keywords, right? So I click retrieve and I'm getting this list here. Okay, so this is coming up with the kind of things that I might want to take a look at for this site. All right, so maybe I want to filter this, though, to make sure. In fact, I definitely want to filter this because notice I am getting the average KC is all the way up to 64, and I'm never going to be able to rank for SEO. It would be great, but I'm also not going to bid $12.56 per click. And if I did, I'm sure that it would be worth the $2,000 per value of the click-through rate there, but I'm not going to do it because that's too much work and I don't have much of a chance of getting the top rank for that keyword. So I'm going to filter it, right? I will click on filter here and retrieve only those that fit under the 30, 33, 35 KC. Now, if we look at KC, KC is average keyword competitiveness, it says, and it is a number from 0 to 100 that measures how difficult it is to rank on the first page of Google for the keyword. This metric is calculated using this process below. So I click on filter. I'm going to exclude keywords containing health. That came up, so I wanted to make sure I got those out. I'm going to include keywords. Let's see, I'm going to exclude keyword KC. I'm going to exclude, so I click on exclude, and I'm going to do KC greater than 34. And what I get is a bunch of keywords that are 34, 33, 33, 33, 32, and there's only 3 of those that have come up. But remember, I only scraped the surface on the keywords up here because I only did 20 per on each of those. So now if I click the plus 20, it's going to give me more. So tips to achieve success in studies. That's probably not something I really want. Search engine organization or organic search engine optimization. 210. I might want that. That's pretty pricey, but we'll see. Traffic driving school. I don't want that one either. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to delete both of those. And I click the plus 20 on this and see what else I get. So plus 20 is going to add 20 keywords there, or whatever it finds within my filter. So there's 1, there's 2. It's found 3 keywords here: organic search engine optimization, search engine optimization tools, organic search engine optimization specialist. Okay, and it says right there that falls within my easy ranking number. Now there's only 10. I think that was what this is. We're going to take a look at this. These are the search results here. So 210, 260, and 10 monthly search results. And the average bid cost for these things are here. And you'll notice that 513 and 861. Now if I were doing organic, if I were doing bidding for these, I would really want to hone in on this, because obviously I don't want to spend that much. But I'm not doing advertising. I could, but I'm not really doing advertising. I'm going to create a content strategy around these search engine terms so that I can get as many people over there as I want. Now this is a really small niche, and I can do a lot more with this if I want to, right? If I want to, I can do a lot more with this. I can add additional keywords up here, and let's say online traffic. And let's do digital marketing success. Okay, now long tail keywords are usually 3 to 5 keywords. These are seed keywords, so we're going to see what we get with this as well. So it's going to add more, and because I have my filter set already, it's bringing in additional keywords that fit that filter already, and I've got that filtered down pretty tight. So online traffic generator, 70 searches. These things are within my easy ranking number. Online traffic generator, digital marketing success stories in India, online traffic generator, website traffic generator, and there we go. We got digital media versus digital marketing, how to measure the success of a digital marketing campaign, best online traffic school, digital marketing success stories, best traffic school online. So let's see what we get here. If I click on, let me come down to one of these and see what I can find if I just add 20. Now it's going to go get 20, and then it's going to filter those 20 based on my criteria. So then I can just choose which ones I want to go out and try to rank for. Now notice I've got a lot here that fit my criteria already in the 29, 28, 27, 25. This is pretty awesome. Now there's a lot to this bad boy. If I want, I can click on the keyword itself and see what the competitors look like. So let's just click on affordable search engine optimization. That gives me some information about that keyword, organic results. And here are some results for advertising that is going on already. Some sites that are ranking already. And it tells me what their domain KC is for this keyword over here. So some of these it looks like I could actually take if I wanted to really do this. So here's the great thing about this tool that I really, really love. I've never ever promoted a product because the tutorials were so good. Now let me just make this smaller so we can see it. The site has gotten a little funky over here on the sidebar because I had it expanded too much. So if I come to the tutorials, here are all the tutorials that they have, including strategy and how to use the tool, what to look for. There's 14 tutorials here that walk you through the entire process. So finding seed keywords, understanding intention and finding better seed keywords, seed keywords and basic keywords research, competitor analysis, using rank value to determine keyword profitability, and this gives an example of e-commerce over here. Combining keywords and SERP crossover, on-page SEO, all of these things you might have heard about and know about. This is the way that you end up getting really, really good organic / free traffic. Keyword ranking so that you can get search engine results as well as YouTube results and all of those. So this is a great tool. I am so happy to be in this. Now let me also tell you what I did. I'm going to come back to this page. There is a $27 one-time fee for this. On the next page, you're going to see two ongoing upsells. One is $97 and one is $197. You're probably going to want to jump on the $97 or the $197 depending on how many keywords every day you think you'll be using. This is going to give you up to 20,000 keywords a day that you can use. Now make sure that you look at that upsell, because I went for the $97 version. I kind of wish I'd done the $197, but I also got the university, which follows that, which is all of the training on keyword and Google Analytics and figuring out how to do all of this stuff together. This is an area that I've never really dug into, but now that we're kind of killing it with Facebook advertising, and this is really going to help us with Facebook advertising as well, we're going to focus on organic free traffic as well to get our acquisition costs down. So I really encourage you to click on the link below. Go get this thing today. This is a great tool.